Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Sam Fender, and we love Sam Fender here. This time we have a song called Millennial. I wanted to do this for a long time. Now it's the time. A very cool and straightforward song, and yeah, a great one. So let's start with the capo set on the 4th fret, and we have 6 chords to handle. So let's start first with the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is the F sharp minor. So you need a bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. We move on here to the G chord. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And we have C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the B minor. You need a bar on the 2nd fret, this time from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So there we have the 6 chords. And this song is pretty much about downs only, except from one E minor there in the chorus and in the ending, so otherwise just downs. Okay, so let's start with the intro first. It will be the E minor. You go for 16 downs, and it's about this tempo. Okay, so starts in lyrics. This tube is the gospel, and then comes the 16 downs on E minor. And then starts the actual song. It continues with the E minor. You do that for 8 downs. Then you shift to the F sharp minor, 8 downs. Then G, 8 downs. And D, 8 downs. That is one chord progression. E minor, F sharp minor, G, and D. 8 downs per chord. You will do that chord progression for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. So it goes like this. Like that. And I will suggest that you not play full downstrokes, or at least emphasize more on the bass middle strings here. Alright, so that's just a tip there. 2 rounds of that chord progression, and that takes us to the chorus. I am a millennial. So starts with C, 8 downs. Then E minor, 8 downs. Then D, 8 downs, and B minor, 8 downs. Then comes the C again for kind of a 2nd round, 8 downs. And then D, 8 downs. We have a final chord left, but we will stop there and just go over what we just learned here. So it started here with 8 downs of C, 8 downs of E minor, 8 downs of D, 8 downs of B minor, 8 downs of C, and 8 downs of D. Alright, then we have the final chord. It's the E minor. And here you will do a strumming pattern. It will sound like this. played a couple of times there. You will do for 2 rounds. That strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down. Okay, we can stop there. So down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. That's the standard tempo. And the second part will be up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Okay, and if you connect these 2 parts, the full strumming will be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, so you will play that strumming pattern for 2 rounds on the final chord E minor in the chorus. So I will play through this chorus for you, all the chords. Okay, so I will speak meanwhile. So let's start with the C and play 8 downs for the following chords that comes now, and then for the E minor you will play 2 rounds of the strumming. All right, so let's go from C. C, E minor, D, and B minor, C, D, and now comes the E minor. So that was the chorus. Right after these 2 strumming rounds, we will go back to the second verse. The second verse is played in the same way as the first verse, so nothing changes there. And we'll come to this second chorus right after. This one will be played with only downs, and it will differ just a little bit. So it will be 8 downs of C, 8 downs of E minor, 8 downs of D, and 8 downs of B minor. Alright, so we recognize this chord progression. That chord progression you will play for 2 rounds. So C8, E minor 8, D8, B minor 8. Do that for 2 rounds, and that will be the second chorus. And that takes us to the final part of the song, the outro parts in the lyrics, I don't know a thing. Okay, so that will be C, 8 downs, E minor, 8 downs, D, 8 downs, okay, and then B minor, 8 downs, and then C, 8 downs, D, 8 downs, and the E minor with the strumming. So that is basically the chord progression for the first chorus. And this E minor in the end here, you will play the same strumming but for 3 rounds. So okay, so E minor for 3 rounds of the strumming, and then you will do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, still on E minor. So 4 times down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That will be kind of 1 chord progression for the down ups. You will do that for 2 rounds. So you can say in total of 8 downs and ups. So down, up times 8. That comes right after these 3 rounds of the first original, you can say, strumming pattern for E minor. So the final part, the E minor part, will be 3 rounds of the down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you will do, we can say, 8 down ups. Comes right after. So I'm gonna play this final part for you so you understand what we're playing. So perhaps I'm gonna go a little bit slower so you really see what we were doing here. So let's go in the lyrics, I don't know a thing, starting with C8. E minor 8, D8, B minor 8, C8, D8, and now E minor 3 rounds. And then So that was Millennial by Sam Fender. So very easy song there. It's kind of two different parts in the song, one verse play, one chorus play, and that's pretty much it. So good luck with Sam Fender. Always great to know his songs, great songs there. So good luck, see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.